Hello and welcome to the first video in my Walking Inspiration Newsletter video series. This is win number 31. Now, each episode is based on my Walking Inspiration Newsletter, WIN for short, which I send to my clients every Monday morning. Now, in this episode, Step 1, the benefits of bodyweight exercises to combat aging. Easy health tips of the week, which involves planks. Step 2, strengthen much more than your muscles. The Did You Know section, which includes strength training terminology. Step 3, good nutrition starts with a good recipe. And Step 4, Safety First 22 Walking Safety Tips podcast. So I'm Frank Ring. I'm the author of the Amazon bestseller, Walking for Health and Fitness, the easiest way to get in shape and stay in shape. And in this space, we'll connect weekly to explore how walking can improve your health, your mindset, and your life. After a serious back injury prevented me from running, walking became my go-to fitness exercise for staying fit, focused, and inspired. I've stayed healthy and lean, and as you'll learn in this episode, bodyweight exercises have been a key to my health and fitness. So I can't wait to share the tips and stories to help you on your own fitness journey. Now, each weekly newsletter is geared towards getting your week started with a win. I cover 4 steps. That's the points of the week. I also include an easy health tip and a Did You Know section, a little fun fact about walking and fitness. Now, in this episode of the Walking Inspiration Newsletter, I'll explore simple, effective ways to incorporate strength training and build these practices into your routine. They'll help you stay stronger, confident, and ready to tackle life's challenges. So lace up your sneakers and let's take a step towards a healthier, more inspired you. Strength is a foundation of a healthy, active life. And building muscle is essential for maintaining vitality as we age. Now, whether through walking, bodyweight exercises, or resistance training, stronger muscles improve your ability to perform everyday activities, to protect your joints, and enhance overall mobility. Beyond the physical benefits, muscle strength boosts metabolism, supports bone health, and contributes to better posture and balance. Quote, "You have to put in many tiny efforts that nobody sees or appreciates before you notice anything worthwhile." And that's by Brian Tracy. So step 1 in this WIN video podcast is the benefits of bodyweight exercise to combat aging. Bodyweight exercises are a powerful tool to combating the physical effects of aging. Now, these exercises, which rely on your body's weight rather than external equipment, are highly effective at maintaining muscle mass, improving flexibility, and enhancing joint health. These are all critical factors for preserving mobility and independence as we age. Movements like squats and push-ups and planks engage multiple muscle groups, promoting balance and stability while strengthening your core. Importantly, they are low impact, making them ideal for aging individuals seeking to improve fitness without putting excessive strain on joints. Now, I turned to bodyweight exercises after a back injury. Really forced me out of work for 4 months and led to this whole journey of my walking books. Doing the bodyweight exercises really helped improve my core. In fact, I pretty much stopped lifting any kind of weights. And they are more than effective in keeping me lean, strong, and keeping the weight off me. So, in addition to the physical benefits, bodyweight exercises support mental well-being by stimulating the release of endorphins, which can reduce stress and improve your mood. They also help you improve bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis, and support cardiovascular health through increased circulation. Now, best of all, these exercises, they're accessible to anyone, anywhere. There's no gym membership required, and incorporating them into your routine a few days a week can lead to a stronger, healthier, and more resilient body as you age. So, start your journey today, transform your health and energy levels, and check out my fitness walking exercise program. I'll put a link in the description. If you're not ready to start the program yet, okay, then you could download the first 2 chapters of my book, Fitness Walking and Bodyweight Exercises. The chapters are free. Take a look at that if it's something you'd be more interested in pursuing. The book is available through Amazon.com. I'll also leave a link in the description. Now, the easy health tip of the week. Planks. They are one of the more effective exercises for building core strength and supporting a healthy, strong back. Okay, it's how I got into this whole fitness routine from a back injury. This simple yet powerful move engages multiple muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, the obliques, and the transverse abdominis, while also activating the muscles in the shoulders, glutes, and lower back. Now, by strengthening your core, planks help stabilize the spine, improve your posture, and reduce the risk of back pain and injury. Additionally, planks require no equipment and can be easily modified for any fitness level, making them an accessible and effective way to build functional strength that supports everyday movements and overall stability. Step 2 in the Walking Inspiration newsletter is strengthen much more than muscles. Okay? The rewards of strength training go beyond building muscle. Build confidence. Getting stronger will make you feel sure of yourself as you see the progress you make physically and in terms of performance. You just feel better when you're stronger. Number 2, build character. Strength training encourages certain character traits such as discipline, consistency, and hard work. Developing these will carry over into other aspects of your life. 3, build focus. Strength training requires focus. This is great for those with high-stress lives. Clear your mind of your troubles and come back to them with a fresh perspective after you do some fitness exercise. Now, the Did You Know section of this newsletter is the strength training terminology. Very simple. 1 is reps. That's short for repetitions. Reps are a number of times you complete a single exercise before taking the rest. Sets. Sets are completing a specific number of reps in a single exercise. That's called a set. And a superset is during a superset, you perform one or more exercises back to back, followed by a period of rest. So, have you downloaded the first 2 chapters of my Fitness Walking Bodyweight Exercise book for free? Because I go over all of this terminology and show you how to apply it with bodyweight exercises. Step 3, good nutrition starts with a good recipe. Now, do you want to save time and bring good nutrition and taste to your meals? Follow along with this quick and easy chicken soup recipe and also learn the top 5 benefits of chicken soup. I'll leave a link in the description above. So the YouTube video that I did, it's a short video. It takes about 7 or 8 minutes long. Great recipe. As winter's coming, it's one of my go-to meals. Now, do you have a comfort food that you like to turn to when you need a good, healthy meal to get you back on track to healthy eating? Go to this the comment section below and leave a comment on what is your go-to food when you need to feel healthy. Okay? And before I get to step 4 of this week's newsletter, you can sign up for the Walking Inspiration newsletter at the link below. Every Monday morning, I send you the newsletter via email to start your week off with a win. Walking Inspiration newsletter, win. What a great way to start the week, right? Those of you that work, Monday morning could be a little rough getting up and getting geared up for the week. Start it with a win. Everybody needs a win in their lives. Okay, so in this, I give you 4 steps to aid you on your journey to great health and fitness, along with an easy health tip and a Did You Know section, something interesting, fun fact about health and fitness. And step 4 of this newsletter, safety first, 22 walking safety tips. Now, taking precaution is a must when you walk. Let's face it, you're most likely walking in your neighborhood, but whether urban or suburban or rural, a good deal of the time you're walking on or near the roads. Now, fact, nearly 70% of all pedestrian accidents happen at night, okay? A lot of times we find ourselves walking at night, especially with the change of time. Don't become a statistic. Before you head on your next walk, put these 22 walking safety tips into practice. One of them may save your life. Now, please remember my first 2 walking safety tips. Number 1, always walk facing traffic. Let's face it, drivers are distracted. You need to see what's coming at you so you have a chance to take evasive action. I do a lot of walking. I'll tell you quite a few times in my walking experience, I've had to step to my left to get out of the roadway because cars just don't, whatever they're doing. A lot of people are clueless out there. Be careful. Second tip, when you're walking at night, always carry a flashlight or use a headlamp and wear a reflective vest. These 2 items may save your life. Think about any time you've driven and a pedestrian is walking. You really don't see them till the last minute unless they have a flashlight or a reflective vest. So click the link above to see the Safety Tips podcast that I did. It's part of a YouTube video. Check that out. It may save your life. And this week's product of the week is a headlamp flashlight. The one I'm recommending is 1200 lumens. It's ultra bright LED rechargeable headlight, which is really cool. It has a long press function and motion sensor, and unlike the old version, this headlamp has a long press function. In any mode, if you hold your key mode button for 3 seconds, you could turn off the light directly. No longer need to cycle through the modes if you've had to do that. Click, 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 click. That was my old headlamp. It also has a motion sensor. You can easily turn the light on and off by a wave of your hand, which is convenient and avoids soiling your headlamp when your hands are dirty. Okay, especially if you get down on the floor and do body weight exercise. Right? Also, it's super light, super bright, and rechargeable. The headlamp flashlight is camping essential. It uses class-leading LED chips and has a maximum brightness of 1200 lumens. Easily lights up an entire tent and road. It has a powerful built-in rechargeable battery which can be able to charge and turn on the lights at the same time. There's no need to wait for a full charge or replace the battery. Okay, and the battery indicator will help you master battery usage. It lasts anywhere from 4 to 10 hours when fully charged. I'll leave a link in the description here. So that wraps up my first Win video newsletter. As you see from the title, this is Win number 31. Now, I started the newsletter in the spring of 2024, just sending it out weekly. I'll be recording videos of past newsletters for my YouTube channel to catch up. It'll be over the next few months that will catch up with all of the wins that I do and going forward. Okay, so you can sign up for the Win newsletter at the Walking for Health and Fitness website or the link below. I've begun posting past Win newsletters on that page. And start your week off with a win. Everybody needs a win. This is Frank from Walking for Health and Fitness. Walk on. Hi, it's Frank again from Walking for Health and Fitness. And as you can see, I have many other videos on my Walking for Health and Fitness channel. So check out these videos or go to my channel and look at all the videos I have. Look at my playlist. And also drop a comment in the comment box. Tell me what you think of the first episode of this Walking Inspiration newsletter, the video series. Thank you.